speaking against a judge be a punishable offense? Can a tweet land someone in court? Today, we are diving into the powerful yet often misunderstood concept of contempt of court, a legal tool used to protect the authority and dignity of our judiciary. What is contempt of court? It refers to any behavior that disrespects or disobeys the authority, justice, or dignity of a court. It exists to ensure that a legal system functions smoothly without fear, pressure, or undue influence. Under the Constitution of India, contempt of court is addressed primarily under Article 129 and Article 215, with additional support from the Contempt of Court Act of 1971. These articles give the Supreme Court and High Court the power to be a court of record and shall have all the powers of such a court, including the power to punish for contempt of itself. What are the types of contempt? There are mainly two types of contempt. First is a civil contempt, when someone willfully disobeys a court order. For example, if the court orders a person to pay child support and they deliberately don't, then the civil contempt is applicable. Second one, the criminal contempt, where any act that scandalizes the court or lower its authority, example, publicly accusing a judge of bias without proof or disrupting the court proceedings, then the criminal contempt will be applicable. Why it is important? It ensures respect for the law and legal process, prevents influence or intimidation of judges, protects the public's confidence in the judicial system. However, there must be a balance with the freedom of speech, and the court must not use it to suppress the legitimate criticism. One of the landmark judgments in India on the contempt of court is Arundhati Roy's case in the year 2002, where Arundhati Roy made statements criticizing the judiciary in connection with the Narmada Bachao Andolan case, where the Supreme Court held that her statement scandalized the authority of the court. She was found guilty of criminal contempt and sentenced to 1 day's imprisonment and fine of 2,000 rupees. Can you criticize the court? Yes, but in a fair and a constructive manner. It is allowed, but false, scandalized, or malicious statements meant to undermine the judiciary can invite contempt charges. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal content simplified. Follow for more legal facts and not fiction.